Welcome back to day 15. Today we're stepping into mosaic knitting with the simplest and most beginner-friendly technique because you only carry one color per row, no multiple strands. Mosaic knitting is one of the simplest forms of colorwork, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Unlike standard knitting, where you carry multiple yarns across a row, mosaic knitting achieves color change by slipping stitch instead of working them. Mosaic knitting is a slipped stitch colorwork technique. Instead of carrying two yarns at once, we work with one color per row and use slip stitch to create the design. In each row, you will knit and purl normally in the active color, while slipping stitch from the previous row in the other color to bring them up into the next row. This is what creates this beautiful pattern. For me, the pros are there are no floats to manage, it maintains elasticity better than any other stranded knitting, and it is easier to work than Fire Isle or Intarsia. The cons: you cannot create large blocks of one single color, and designs are more limited to geometric and linear patterns. The first step is creating the foundation row. You cast on, and in the next row, you start adding the second color. And you just switch every color, you switch colors every 2 rows. So you have to, before starting, you have to understand which one is your dominant color. And the dominant color for me is the one who creates the design, the final design. And the non-dominant color is like the background. On the wrong side, you just continue purling in this pattern. You knit and purl, so you just purl the stitch in your color, in your working color, and slip the other color. It's very simple. This creates a clean structured colorwork pattern without needing to carry yarn and no floats on the back of your work. And that's it for today. This is just the beginning of what you can do with mosaic knitting. You can create everything with this technique. And tomorrow we will cast on a simple coaster just using this colorwork. So don't forget to like, subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow. Happy knitting!